Whether it's a party, a gathering, or a game day, an appetizer is a must. That's why I want to show you how to make this incredible chorizo cheese dip that's also going to be available on my website, villacocina.com, so you can print it out. Let's get started. Grab a yellow onion and dice 1 cup of it. All right, transfer it into a dish. Now dice up 2 jalapeños, and I am using kitchen gloves, but let's remove those seeds and veins first. Oh, and the stem. Finally, mince 2 garlic cloves, and I am gonna be using a garlic press. Oh, I love that smell. Just gonna scrape it. And I like to take whatever garlic is left inside the garlic press and give it a fine mince. Take the time to prep all of your ingredients, enjoy the aromas, because it is going to make the cooking experience even more enjoyable. Finally, chop a quarter of a bunch of cilantro. It is time to grate some cheese, and we're gonna need 10 ounces of a good American cheese and 8 ounces of Oaxaca cheese. Now, if you prefer to use cheddar instead of American, you can do that. We love Oaxaca cheese in Mexico. It only made sense to add it to this dip. Okay, transfer it onto a bowl. We are moving along, making progress. Place a large pot over medium-high heat. Once nice and hot, cook 14 ounces of pork chorizo. If you need to add a little bit of oil, feel free to do so. The chorizo is about 3/4 of the way cooked. I'm gonna lower the heat to medium and add in the onion. Stir that in. The onions have started to soften. Now add the jalapeños and the garlic. Ooh, the smells so good. The chorizo is fully cooked. The peppers have softened. Add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix continuously for about 30 to 40 seconds. Measure out 1 cup of whole milk and add it in. Continue cooking and stirring for a few more minutes until our mixture thickens. And it looks just like this. Now the cheese. I'm going to melt 1 type of cheese at a time. Oh, and lower that heat to medium-low. This should melt in beautifully. Time for the Oaxaca. Oh, this is looking gooey, gorgeous. Look at that color, the texture, and the stringy consistency that Oaxaca is giving this dip. Add salt to taste. I'm gonna start with a 1/4 teaspoon and see where that takes me. Perfect. This is the consistency I'm looking for. If you want it looser, you can always add a little bit more milk until you get it to your preferred consistency. Lastly, that chopped cilantro. And it's ready to serve and enjoy. Come on, Nelson. I'm ready.
Hold on, I was getting my tortillas.
What about these right here?
Right,
Tortilla chips.
That'll do, that'll do.
A little extra, oh my goodness. All right, let's do this.
Man,
You just have to bring tortillas for everything, don't you?
well, they're bigger and I can grab more of the cheese, dude.
How does that look?
Let me see how it tastes.
All right.
I've said it before. Chorizo goes on everything.
It's so good. It is delicious. You want to serve it warm because as it sits, it will take in a little bit more. But like I said, you can always heat it back up again or thin it out with a little bit more milk.
You're gonna have to make a gallon worth of cheese dip. It's that good. Mmm.
Preach it, Nelson.
We need the tortillas.
Preach it. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget that you can follow me on all of my social media platforms. Don't forget to also like this video, and we will see you on the next recipe.
Enjoy it, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Mm.